to be together.
Are you guys coming to the thing next Friday?
What's happening next Friday?
Scooch over. Let me tell you about it. Have a read for your guys self.
Okay.
Wow, this looks so boring. Digi rest for parents.
Let me guess.
Digi!
Come
Wow,
on now,
look, digital
guys.
learning for parents sounds so
Guys.
boring.
Back. Have a little read.
Let me guess.
Movie making?
B-box.
Mickey. I'm definitely
You're
coming to this.
Let's register here.
Yeah,
Come on.
I'm
Oh, guys,
registered.
No, it's for parents only.
Oh my gosh.
That's okay.
They're going to be doing stuff so fun.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
You can bring your nana, your papa, or your auntie, uncle. Make sure they're over 18 years old.
Click the link below to register.
If you want to see a sneak peek, here it goes.